Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 29th of September. And first of all, national news. 28% GST on online gaming set to be implemented from October 1. Amit Shah to visit Bhopal on Sunday to discuss poll strategy. Verbal claims won't work. Omar Abdullah on Canada's India allegations. Kamal Megharajani, Indian American cancer doctor, among 15 gifted White House fellows. Amid fight against terror, Jammu and Kashmir police faced major manpower shortage. Fashion designer Manish Malhotra to design new uniforms for Air India crew. US processed record 1 million visa applications in India this year. Chandrayaan 3 rover has done what it was expected to do. ISRO chief. Now some international news. London's office market plunged into rental recession. Meta paid $181 million to end its lease. Vivek Ramaswamy called for ending birthright citizenship in US, a report said. Over 65,000 Armenians have fled Karabakh since Azerbaijan claimed victory. Russia unveiled huge spending hike of almost 70% to battle hybrid war. Ukrainian forces gradually gaining ground, NATO chief said. Trump rivals attacked each other but failed to shake his dominance. Will backfire Taiwan on China's armed threats over presidential polls. US mission to India surpasses 1 million non immigrant visas in 2023. Now, some sports news. Asian Games 2023. Manika Batra, Sharat Kamal, G. Sathiyan stormed into pre quarterfinals. Oman to host Hockey Olympic qualifier in place of Pakistan, FIH. Hyderabad police working overtime to ensure full safety and security for Pakistan team. Business related news. Deadline for adding nominees to mutual funds extended. Byju's to lay off 3,500 employees over hired during pandemic. A report said. Science related news. New electric blue tarantula species discovered in Thailand. NASA's James Webb Telescope detected first evidence of carbon on Jupiter's moon. And that's all in news. Thank you.